What's up guys, and welcome to the 8th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about logical operators, so and, or, and not. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is go to your SRC folder, go to new, make a class, call it test, and we can tick this off as well, so we can go to finish, and then we can now start coding this. So we can say remove all this, and I'll type in boolean a equals true, close that off, and now type in boolean b equals false, close that off. Move on to the next line, and I'll type in system out println. So click on that, and then we can type in some speech marks and say a double and b, and this equals, and then right at the end we can say plus, and then parentheses a and b, and hopefully once we execute that will give us false, but we'll execute it after we put in a few more lines of code. So I'll just copy this, paste that there, and now just change this to or. So 2 lines like that, 2 more lines like that, and this one can stay the same. So if I just put a parentheses there, put another parentheses there, and put an exclamation mark there, so that means not, and put another exclamation mark there, and we are good to go. So if I run this, let's see what actually happens. So for the first one we have false, yes, because a and b not the same, so that's what it's giving us false. So the second one says a or b, that gives us true because it can be a or b. And then the last one says not a and b, so that's true. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.